A fully loaded Ford Bronco Raptor is going to cost over $80,000. Now, online configurator for the Raptor and Everglades models are live. The Ford Bronco has been a massive sales success for the Dearborn-based automotive giant. And a giant it is. Now available in 8 different trims, Ford still can't keep up with the demand. It has become so bad that the customers are willing to pay for these cars in physical cash. But most end up with a massive waiting list. To get their hands on these retro cool SUVs, Ford has recently added 2 new models to the Bronco range. Recently announced was the Bronco Everglades and a hardcore Raptor model. Now these 2 trims have now been added to the Ford build and price tool, giving us an idea of how customizable these 2 SUVs are. The Bronco Raptor is one of the most highly anticipated SUVs around, with 400 horsepower, twin-turbo V6, Fox off-road shocks at each corner, and all the suspension and chassis upgrades needed to conquer the great outdoors. This is amazing, folks. Once selected, you can choose your paint colors, up to 10 different colors. You got red for $295. You got the Area 51. You got the orange and the cyber orange, $595. The eruption green, which a lot of people love. This is awesome, folks. 17-inch wheels are available with 2 beat-lock capable options costing $1,695, $1,995 a piece. You got the Modern Color hardtop, an additional soft top as far as a canvas. You got a nice setup here, folks. Once selected, 10 different colors, which are just straight up awesome. Now, between the other options, you can build this up to $81,000 before looking at the accessory list. Now, Russian green paint, beat-like capable wheels, the available canvas roof, leather seats, they feel better than the vinyl. You will be very happy, folks, if you got the $395 and the code orange seat belts. If you throw in the Lutz package, avoid the extra exterior graphics, and the Raptor is a solid package at $77,275, including destination. A few more options, and you're talking about $80,000, folks. Ford Bronco Everglades, for your options are fewer. But this Sasquatch is going to be a beast. Now, you're talking about the Everglades coming in at MSRP of $53,000. It's a conclusive package. 2.3 liter EcoBoost. You guys, this is still amazing. Now, destination charge for the Everglades is $59,000. But if you got the money, go all out. Get yourself a Bronco. Get yourself the Bronco Raptor. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.